Hello everyone, welcome to DocEngage. This is Jayashree. In this video, I'm going to train you about settings where you can configure your complete hospital or clinic details and upload logo, address, timings, IDs and master data. If you have any multiple branches, you can manage that as well in the settings. Let me go into settings and show you how. This is the organization setting page where we will be giving all our basic to advanced details about the hospital or clinic. First thing, you need to enter your hospital name, then the display name will be the name which you want to display everywhere in DocEngage as well as in the print forms. So enter the name which you want to display. Next is address field. Make sure that you are giving the proper address because this address will be showing in the patient invoice printout, prescription printout, SMS and email, etc. So enter the proper address here. Next, the business hours. If you are maintaining shift timings, you can enter the timings here in the business hours section. Next, contact information. Enter your hospital or clinic contact number where a patient can reach out to. And if you have any secondary or WhatsApp number, you can enter that number here. And then email ID and the website address. Next one is the currency. This currency will be reflecting everywhere in the invoice, payments, returns, wallet, online transaction, everywhere in as well as in the print forms. So you can give the format which you want in the currency section. Next, ID generator. ID generators are the unique IDs given for this below mentioned fields where we can maintain a proper series of IDs. So for example, this provider is there. For this provider, I have configured the prefix by giving EMID. After this prefix, a sequence of numbers will be generated automatically by the system. You can configure that prefix here as well for other invoice payments, other fields as well. After giving all this, if you scroll up, we have this logo option here. If you have any logo to your hospital or clinic, you can just click on this logo section here. It will redirect you to the files. From there, select the file which you want to upload here. Make sure that the file size is only 300 KB. After uploading the file, just click on the update. Organization setting is updated. Then if you have any multiple branches, you can manage that as well just by clicking here on the care center. We will have this add care center option here. If I click on this add care center, it will redirect me to add form. Here I need to enter the care center name, same display name, and then address, postal code, appointment duration. This appointment duration will be default for this only for this care center. While creating an appointment, the same time will be applied everywhere. And then the consultation fees. This consultation fees is particularly given to this care center service. You may charge different consultation fees in other branches based on the regional requirements. So you can enter that consultation fees here. Then care center code you need to enter. Then patient ID starts from 1000. If you want to start from 1000, you can start for, give this as a default, or else you can modify based on your requirements. Then the care center timings. After giving all this field, just click on the save. So I have already given few care centers here. If you want to edit, just by clicking on these three dots, we have this edit option. We can edit and modify the data. After modifying, just update. Care center is updated. For example, if you want to remove this care center in a particular location, for example, there is one branch in Hyderabad. Now you are closing that branch means you can just remove that services just by clicking on three dot. You can deactivate that care center. So this is how we add and edit the care center. After adding the care center, I will show you how to add the services to these care centers. Here we have this service option. We need to create a service type before creating the services. The reason why we need to create this service type is to organize your services based on your hospital requirements. So let me go into the service type. I can enter the service type here. I have already given few. Laser treatment is a service type. Just give the service type name here. If you want to select any specialty, select the specialty from the drop down and just save. I have given few service type. For example, after creating the service type, we can manage our master data that is in the service catalogs. If I go into the service catalog, I have an option here to add service catalog. Just by clicking on this service add service catalog, I'll go into this add form. Here I'll give the service name and then the service type I'll select here, which I have already created, will be showing here in the drop down section. After selecting the service type, I need to select the specialty and then give ICD code, SAC code, service code, and what is the duration for this service. You can give it in minutes, hours, or days. Then service cost. What is the cost that you are charging for this particular service? And if this service is inclusive or exclusive of tax, you can just enable this inclusive or exclusive fields and give the tax rate. For Karnataka, our tax rate is 18%, so state GST and central GST is 99%. I have given here and just save. After giving save, that all the service will be shown here in the list page. If we want to edit or modify, we can just edit this service and update. By clicking on these three dots, we have edit, override, and deactivate option as well. If you want to deactivate, just you can remove you can remove this. And then packages. Basically, what is packages? If you want to give a combination of two or more services in a single service, you can make it as a package. To create that, we need to go into this add service catalog, give the same service name, type, specialty, codes, and we have one option here called ease package service. If we enable this feature, it will show us to add a multiple services. Here we can select the multiple service. For example, consultation, we can change the quantity as well. 3 consultation, and duration is it is taking by default because we have already created this service and given the duration and the cost. If you want to change the cost, we can change the cost as well. Then duration for this complete package we need to enter here, and the cost, service cost for this complete package I'll be giving. For example, it is 30,000. And then same the tax templates will add tax. You have non-taxable as well. If this service is non-taxable, you can just click on this non-taxable. This then the tax field will be removed. Then just save this service package. A package will be created where you will have the consultation, quantity, everything. Same thing. If you want to edit, modify, you can modify or deactivate as well. This is how we are going to create a service type and service catalog. Then we have this upload option. For example, you have all your service data in the Excel sheet already ready with you. You want to directly upload it. You don't want to do it manually. You don't want to add each service manually. Then you can directly upload it from this service catalog upload field. We have here one CSV file already given. Download this file, modify the data based on this file, and choose the file from here. If you click on this, it will redirect you to the files. Just select the file from the folder and this upload. All your services which are already ready with you will be uploaded into DocEngage and you can manage them. Hope you all understood how to set up your complete organization. Thank you all.